Hi there, students. I had a request for the word alight, and alight is a great word for a video. It can be a verb, it can be an adjective, and it can be an adverb. And the adjective and adverb, the meaning is completely different from the verb. So let's look at some meanings. Okay, to alight, to get off a train or a bus or an aeroplane. So I alighted at the bus stop that was near the cinema to get out. Yeah, I alighted from the train when I reached my stop to get out of some form of transport, to get off. Yeah, I guess you could even alight from a horse. When the boat reached the port, the passengers alighted. Okay, to alight, slightly different meaning, to land on. So the aeroplane alighted on the runway, to land. To come down from the air and to settle on something. So a butterfly alighted on the flower that I was looking at. To land, to come down, to touch down. Okay, my eyes alighted on the book I was looking for. So if your eyes alight on, you find something by chance. Or I alighted on some very interesting antiques. Okay, I noticed something. Then, as an adjective, alight means on fire, burning. So, yeah, the car was alight and there was a danger of an explosion. It was on fire, it was in flames, it was burning, it was blazing, it was ablaze. Notice, alight is what I call a post-positive adjective. If you use it with a noun, it's got to go afterwards. So you can't say an alight candle. You needs to go after. So, for example, a candle alight is something that can make a dinner much more romantic. Okay? They also call these predicative adjectives as well. Okay, so something that's burning. Yeah? You can also use this alight, meaning to shine. So, when I got home, the all the illumination in the house was alight, and with these post-positive adjectives, particularly with the verb to be. Okay, so it was glowing. Yeah, it was illuminated, alight. And then alight can also be an adverb. To set something alight, to make it burn, to get it burning. Yeah, he used petrol to set the bonfire alight. Yeah, you could set the world alight, to do something amazing, something fantastic that everybody notices. So his performance in the cricket match set the crowd alight. So it's like he put a match to them and made them blaze. Okay, and this is the idea of alight. It's a great word. Okay, so alight, an adjective, burning. Yeah. Okay, so is the fire alight? Yes, the fire is alight. I had great problems setting it alight, making it burn. Yeah. To alight, to light up brightly. So the sky was alight with fireworks. I guess you could have your eyes are alight, where you're really excited and happy. When I showed the sweets to the children, their eyes were alight. Yeah? illuminated, full of interest and gimme. To alight as a verb, to get out of something. Yeah. I alighted from the train and went straight to the underground. My plane alighted a few minutes early. So to land on something as well. So to get off a piece of a public transport, or to land on something. The bird alighted on a branch. And then to your eyes alight on something, or somebody alights on something, to find something unexpectedly, to see something that you weren't expecting. So I needed to buy a present for Susan, and finally I alighted on the perfect gift. So to get out of a vehicle, I helped the old lady alight from the car, from the taxi. I alighted from the taxi and it was pouring with rain. The bird alighted on the power lines. Okay, so alight. Yeah, it's got lots of different meanings. Let's see. I alighted from the bus. Formality. 6.5, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. I wouldn't use it informally. To get out of. A bird alighted on a branch. 6.5 informality. Informally landed. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Okay, the building or the fire was alight. 5 informality, use anywhere. My performance set the world alight. 4.5 informality, maybe 5. I think probably use anywhere. And okay, alight. Yes, all of the lamps were alight. 5 informality, use anywhere. So let's look at some origins. Okay, so to land or to get out of a bus, or to land. Okay, so we've got alighten from Middle English, to descend from a place, to dismount from a horse. Yeah. And so to alight, I think more than that. I don't have a great deal more etymology for that. And then, okay, to alight from Middle English again. Alighten, to kindle, to set on fire. Probably from Proto-Germanic, in Lutanja, to enlighten, to illuminate. Okay, so alight. I hope this video will set the set social media alight. Probably not. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Alight.